My name is Ozoda Moharomus.
Hello, my name is Enrichment.
Hi everybody, my name is Mishgona.
I was a participant in UCA summer camp the last year.
I have visited the UCA summer camp the last summer in 2015.
Last year I was in UCA summer camps in School.
I have studied math, sport and English.
This camp was wonderful, awesome, amazing, in which I were. They will learn it like math, English courses. In math we learned probability, mean, modem, like this kind of topics.
I like the relationships between teachers and students.
In math lessons, I liked that the lessons were conducted with fun, not like the typical lesson in our schools.
Our teacher, Bunyod, had a special game for students. For each right answer, he gave us a chocolate.
In English we learned like how we must write essay, like grammar.
English was also conducted in a funny and in play mode, so you had fun and at the end of the day you did not feel tired.
The interesting thing about English course was that at the first lesson we wrote a letter from us to the future, and in the last lesson our teacher Samina gave it back to us and we read the list that we wished for us.
It was great, it was amazing, except this course, math, English course, we rested there, we did excursion, we visited historical places.
And also I liked sport because it was very interesting to play volleyball, football and beach volleyball with friends from another countries.
We have learned a lot about Kyrgyz culture and also about Kazakh culture as well.
And there I met a lot of friends from foreign countries.
Honestly, I'm still in touch with my Kyrgyz and Kazakh friends.
The place were very convenient with all the facilities and conditions to stay, and it was very joyful to stay there.
With my roommate, Kyrgyz girl, we had a very big and light room.
I liked the breakfast more because it was so tasty.
The food was very delicious. We were eating about 5 times a day.
The food was very delicious, and this is one of the things that I like most from the camp.
I like the place that we were staying very much.
And if it would be possible, I would go the next year and this year too.
The summer camp is the best experience in my life.
To this year's participants, I wish all the best. I wish them success.
To make more friends, to learn more about other countries, other traditions, other cultures.
Дорогие десятиклассники, дерзайте! Я уверена, что вы абсолютно не пожалеете, если попадете в этот лагерь.